thank you for tuning in today. Welcome to According to Joel. This video is just to let you guys know, kind of an announcement that I will be making a Type R turbo install for your Accord, the 10th gen, the 2-liter turbo. Sorry for the long name. And just to thank you guys for continuing to support the channel and sending all the messages and comments and following me on Instagram and reaching out on Facebook. A couple of you have texted me and called me. I don't know how, but what? What? You guys are fools. So anyway, without the bunny ears on my head that I didn't even see. So yeah, guys, I appreciate your support. And if you guys have any suggestions, if you want to see anything special, let me know, okay? Sorry for my goofy kids, 2 of them. The other one's a little damning because she just got some shots, Chloe. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for supporting me. The girls really want to get on a video, so I figured I'd put them in the video this time. There's my baby girl. Look at you go. Hey, you doing it, mama? You doing it, baby? Such a big girl. Look at you go. Okay, now stop. There we go. High five. There's my baby girl.
Why are you laughing?
Because Daddy's proud of you. Daddy's proud of you, mama. Okay, you want to try it again?